Garnett here, DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive, Kalamazoo, Michigan. Talking a little more about vehicle maintenance today, and today we're talking about alignments. Yes, alignments. And that is, not just the steering wheel being straight, but also lining up the rear tires and the front tires to track properly. You heard of things of camber, caster, toe, thrust angle, those type of things. And that all has to do with making sure that car tracks right. Not only that, if the vehicle tracks right, it is safe to drive. If a vehicle is aligned properly, it's going to wear the tires properly, which again, we're talking about is a huge investment for that vehicle. Now here in Michigan, we have, I would say, kind of a severe road issue. I think you all agree with that. And so we recommend getting alignments generally once a year. And I always say it's best after pothole season, right? I mean, come springtime, whatever, they get the potholes filled in. Best time to do an alignment just once a year. Many cars will have adjustments for the front and the rear. Most of your trucks will just have adjustments for the front. And so make that vehicle track straight, safer driving down the road, and also will save your tires, give you longer life on your tires. So come check us out here at DeNooyer Chevrolet. We have the latest, greatest equipment to do the alignment on your vehicle. We know all the factory specs, and we have the factory trained technicians to do that work for you. So here again, Bill Garnett, DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive, Kalamazoo.